What it do, ladies and gentlemen? I have this female available. She is 3,500. She's a lucky Luciano. Meets Spartacus 2. Meets Grand Champion Toro. Meets Grand Champion Dirty Bird. She's one of the best mothers I ever had. Literally on her second day, or no, her first day after having a C-section, she went ahead and was whining and trying to clean the pups. Usually people that know after they have C-sections, they're out of it, man, and they're usually not. Let me put this tiny one on the nipple. They're usually not. They're out of it, man. They really don't understand what's going on. Sometimes they can even squish puppies. Sometimes they'll even attack their puppies because they're like, what is this noise? She did great. She was sold. The buyer backed out. I've had a lot of people hit me up about a female. I really don't keep record of who's hitting me up, so I just tell them stay posted, because as soon as I have a female up, I'll post a video so that she can get sold. Deposit is $1,000, the rest that pickup. If you need shipping, it's an extra $550. All my dogs are ABKC papered. Also, her pups are for sale. None have been sold. I have first through fifth pick. First and second are both the lilac pups. They're priced anywhere from $2,500 to $4K. You can text me at 270-317-1952. I do deposits through Cash App only. I am located in Kentucky. You're more than welcome to come pick them up. She is pocket. Both her sire and dam is pocket, and the sire and the dam of these puppies are pocket. These puppies consist of 3 ex-champ Lucky Luciano, 2 ex-Spartacus 2, a 1 ex-Grand Champion Toro. So they're lit. For those that know that Champ Lucky Luciano does not carry color, all these puppies do. All our blue tries and lilac tries, just like the mother. So, with that being said, Great Go Bully Camp, baby, signing off.